Tahir, are you here?
Madam, I missed the randomization. मेरा कौन सा नंबर है फर्स्ट राउंड में?
Fourth.
Okay. Thank you.
Tahir, can you confirm if you are online?
Is it Tahir Khumushi?
नहीं यार, Tahir Nasir. He's doing the scoring today.
Tahir Khumushi होता तो भूल गया.
Anyway, we will start. HS, you will just do the scoring manually in case Tahir doesn't come online. All right. So we'll move ahead. HS, can you confirm that, please? You're on mute, HS. You'll have to unmute yourself.
Wait. Hold on.
Yeah. QJ, let's have the first slide. Let's get the participants ready. So our participants for today are Hussain Sancha, Murtuza Bhuriwala, Sandeep Lewis, and Abbas Manda. Participants, please switch on your cameras and unmute yourselves.
Hi, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, Sandeep's here. Abbas is here. Murtuza Bhuriwala is also here, and Sanjay is also here. Perfect. Okay. HS, we are waiting for your call.
Yeah, just a second. I'm just writing it down. So we have Sancha, MB. Who's the other one?
Sandeep Lewis and Abbas Manda.
Okay, Abbas. Okay, go ahead.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Guys, because this is the buzzer round, for the buzzer rounds, HS will be taking a call in case I don't get the call first, or I don't, it's not clear with my audio. All right. So let's start with round one. Round one is not a buzzer round. We've done the randomizer. You get 4 questions, 10 marks for right answer. And we've done this last episode. So you get the answers on screen. You just have a quick look in 5 seconds, and then I ask you 3 questions, and I expect you to answer immediately. Even if you don't know the answer, just answer it off, because there are no negative markings for no answer or wrong answer. Okay? But please don't buy time. If you buy time, I'll have to go for the next question, and then I won't accept that answer, even if it's right. Anyone speaking out of turn will get a negative 10 points. There will be no warnings here. Okay, guys, ready? Abbas, you're going first. Are you ready? Abbas is on mute and his video is off.
Hello. I'm just going on mute right now. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, Abbas.
Yeah.
Abbas, did you view last night's episode?
Yeah, I watched.
So you know what's happening, right? Okay, you know how the round is going to work. All right, perfect.
Yeah.
So
definitely.
let's start with the set of answers for Abbas, please. You'll get 5 seconds to view them. Abbas, you're on mute now. Don't be on mute.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. QJ, let's go for it. Set of answers will be on screen any moment. Okay, time's up. Now we'll start. And the player in question is going to be Mohammad Hafiz. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start with the first question, please. He was the captain in which year's World T20?
2014.
Okay. Next question. How is he famously known as?
I guess I don't have any idea.
No problem. Next question. He was dismissed obstructing the field against?
West Indies.
Okay. Let's have the answers. The answers are 2012, Professor, and South Africa. So HS, I think no scores, right?
The first answer, what was the first answer he said? 2014,
He said
right?
14.
So
He said 14.
14. Yeah, so no answer. No scores.
Right, 0.
All right, okay. Thanks, Abbas. Let's move ahead. Next is Sancha. Sancha, ready?
Yes.
Okay, the set of answers will be on screen now. Okay, the player in question is Anil Kumble. Your questions will be on screen now. He made his international debut in the year.
1990.
Okay. He took 10 wickets in test innings in which city?
Delhi.
Okay. And his record of best bowling figures in ODI by an Indian was broken by?
Stuart Binney.
Stuart Binney. I'll take that. Let's see the answers. The answers are 1990, Delhi, and Stuart Binney. Well done. Good comeback from your last round.
No trolling today.
देखेंगे भाई देखेंगे. All right. Thanks, Sancha.
Okay.
Sandeep, you're next. You can mute
Yes.
yourself. Sandeep, ready?
Yeah.
All right. So your set of questions, answers will be on screen any moment. All right. Time's up. The player in question is going to be Arvinda De Silva.
Okay.
And the questions are: he was the captain of Sri Lanka in which year's ODI World Cup?
92.
Okay. Next question: in which year's World Cup he was the man of the match in the semi-final?
96.
Last question: he is the first to score 2 unbeaten hundreds in a test against which team?
Australia.
Australia. Okay, I'll take that. Let's see the answers, please. The answers are 92, 96, and Pakistan. So you get 2 right and 1 incorrect. HS, please note.
Sure.
Yep.
All right. Thank you. Sandeep, you can mute yourself.
All right.
And last is MB. MB, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Your set of answers will be on screen any moment. Time's up. The player in question is going to be Ajay Jadeja. All right.
Okay.
So the first question is: he acted in which Bollywood movie in 2003?
Khel.
Okay. He took 3 wickets for 3 runs in the last over at Sharjah to win the match for India against which team?
England.
Okay. And he was banned for 5 years for
Match fixing.
match fixing. All right. Let's see the answers. The answers are Khel, England, and match fixing. Well done. All 3 correct. Well done, MB.
Thank you.
So this brings us to the end of round 1. HS, just the scores.
So
Audio will be
basically
back.
we have Sacha and MB on 30, Sandeep on 20, and Abbas on 0.
All right. Okay. Thanks, HS. Thank you, participants from round 1. Can we have participants for round 2, please? We've got AQ Bora, our beloved Abdul Qadir Bora, Ali Maqbool, Hussain Patel, and Huzzi. Can you guys have you on screen, please?
Hello.
Maybe you can mute yourself. Yes.
Hello,
AQ
Melon.
Bora. Yes. Hussain Patel is here. Huzzi is here.
Can you hear me?
I'm waiting for Ali Maqbool.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, all right. Okay. Mac is here as well. Yeah, all 4 of you are here. MB, mute yourself here.
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Can
Okay,
you hear
we
me?
have? Yes, all 4 of you are clear. Thank you.
Okay, Okay. thank you.
All right. Can we have the rules, please? Guys, this is a buzzer round. So this is going to be the score sheet with blanks. You get 4 score sheets, 2 questions per score sheet, total 8 questions. 10 points for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer after calling the buzzer. Buzzer is going to be only your name. Participants, take note. It happens, in the moment that you say out answers, even if it's not your turn, lead to negative -10. There'll be no warnings there. Okay? Buzzer, you know the rules. I will not go into that again. All 4 of you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Let's have the first score sheet, please. Final of the ICC World
Mac.
T20. Yes, Mac.
Shrishant
Okay.
was the player who caught Misbah Haq
Yeah.
and
Man of the match.
was Irfan Pathan.
Okay. Let's have the answers, please. The answers are Srishant and Srishant. Well done. Mac, if you we know you're very quick with the buzzer, but when you call out your name, just say the answers. I mean,
Okay.
just don't
Okay.
go. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's have scorecard number 2, please. ICC Cricket World Cup 2015 final. Where was it played? Who was the man of the match? Just a minute. HS?
I heard Mac first.
Mac, go for it.
The match was at MCG Melbourne, and the player of the match was James Faulkner.
Let's see the answers. The answers are Melbourne and James Faulkner. Well done. Let's have the third score sheet, please. Final of the 2014 T20 World Cup. Where was it played? Who was the man of the match?
Mac.
Yes, Mac.
The final was played in Dhaka, and the
Okay.
player of the match was Kumar Sangakkara.
Let's have the answers. And the answers are Dhaka and Kumar Sangakkara. Well done, Mac.
Mac, you got the questions before?
Yeah, I know all the admins.
Chal bhai, all the best.
He
All right.
gave all the admins a gift hamper. Huxi, what did you give?
Dua.
Okay, thanks.
He gave Sadagopan Ramesh's hair transplant wala doctor का number दे दिया उसने.
And Stotla also. Melam, don't forget.
नहीं उसका वो तुमने बताया नहीं ना क्या था वो. चलो let's move on. We don't have time.
Chalo, question 4, Mac, jaldi bata.
Question 4. First match Indian Premier League Bengaluru.
Kader.
Was the year? HS?
Kader.
2008 and 158.
2008 and 158. Let's see the answers. 2008 and 158 are the right answers. Well done. Mac, you didn't know that?
I wasn't sure.
You wasn't sure. All
Well
right.
played, Mac. Yeah, well played.
Well done, Mac. Well
Thanks,
done.
thanks.
Very well played.
Well played, yeah. Husli, well played.
HS, quickly scores, please.
Okay, so basically we have Hawkeyes at 60 plus 20, 80. And we have captains at 50.
Okay. All right, that's it.
All right.
The others are Mavericks are at 30, and in this round they didn't score anything, and the Indians are at 0.
All right. Okay. They yet to open their account. Hopefully in the next round. Thank you, participants from round 2. Let's have
Thank you.
participants from round 3. So we've got Kunal Kanal, who's a replacement for Hiren. BB is here, Danish Kasmani and Josefa Patel. Can we have your videos and audios, please? Yeah, Kunal is unmuted. Fine. Danish is here as well. Josefa, can you unmute yourself? Thanks.
Yes, I am.
And, yeah, waiting for BB. BB, video and audio both.
Melam, can you hear me?
Yes, DK, I can hear you. Oh, Dhanera gathering. All right. Okay, fine. All right. So that's BB.
Hello?
Your video.
Melam,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. Okay. All right. Fine. All participants are here. Other participants, please mute yourselves. Let's have the rules, please. So this is the jigsaw puzzle. We don't have a buzzer round. It's a randomizer. We've done the randomizer. DK goes first. You get there are 4 questions, one per player. 10 points for each correct guess, -5 for incorrect answer. There are no pass, and time allowed is 10 seconds. Anyone speaking out of turn, -10 points. I would request players to be on mute apart from the player who's playing the particular question. So DK, you can stay online. Rest can be on mute. You can join in on your question. All right. All right. DK, ready? DK, I can't hear you.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Okay. QJ, let's go for it. The timer will start immediately once the jigsaw is on screen.
Rahul?
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. I did not hear that. I cannot take that. Time's up. So the answers were Saeed Anwar, Justin Langer, Nasser Hussain, Alex Carey, and KL Rahul. Yeah, so that were the photos that were on the jigsaw. All right. Thanks, DK. Josefa, you're next. Josefa, please unmute yourself. Huzaifa? Can the Indian team check on Huzaifa, please, if he's... He was
I
here
think he's
just...
logged out. I think he's logged out.
He was here like just before I asked him to go on mute. Any members from the Indian team here?
There is Vanak Aliasgar. He can play this round.
No, Huzaifa Patel was actually here.
Yeah, he logged out. I don't know what happened.
There's one more. Vanak, can you just check with Huzaifa's iPhone is here. I can see Huzaifa's iPhone. He's on mute. That's Hussein. That's Hussein. Oh,
Just checking.
yeah, please check what's the status. QJ, do we have an option to go direct to the third jigsaw? Was that a yes or a no? QJ?
Yeah, Huzaifa is here. He's just joined in.
Okay. Fine. Hi, Huzaifa, you ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right. Your jigsaw will be on screen. You'll have 10 seconds to answer. All right. Not necessary that you get all 5. You can, if you get all 5, perfect. All right. Let's go for it.
Okay. Hafiz, Helz, Imam.
Time's up. Because you didn't complete Imam, I will not take it. I'll take Hafiz and Hills. I'll not take Imam. Well, let's see the answers. The answers are Shai Hope, Ian Bell, Tamim Iqbal, Mohammad Hafiz, and Alex Hales. So HS, those are 2 right answers.
2 rights. Right.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Huzaifa. Next
Okay,
to go is Bibi. Bibi, are you ready? Bibi. Oh, bhai, usko unmute karo. You're on mute.
Hello.
You're on
Yeah,
mute.
well, mic on, right?
Yeah. Your turn. All right. Ready, Bibi?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's go for it.
Darren Sammy, Amit Mishra,
Time's up.
Jimmy Nisham.
So, no, you've got 2. I'm taking 2 only here. Darren Sami and Amit Mishra. Jimmy Nisham was after time. Let's have the answers. The answers were Amit Mishra, Vernon Philander, Darren Sami, Jimmy Nisham, and Morne Mokel. So we'll take 2 there. HS, please note.
Yep.
All right. Okay. And last is going to be Kunal. Kunal, ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, Kunal. All the best. Let's have his jigsaw on screen, please.
Matthew Hayden, Johnny Bairstow, Zahir Khan, Stuart Broad, Fab du Plessis.
Fab du Plessis. All right. Well, in time, you got 5. You've guessed 5 answers. Let's see if they are correct. So the correct answers are Yusuf Pathan, Fab du Plessis, Matthew Hayden, Johnny Bairstow, and Stuart Broad. So that's 1 incorrect and 4 correct. All right. You got, you said Zahir Khan instead of Yusuf Pathan. Tough luck.
Yeah.
But you still had a good round. So
Oh,
HS, 4 rights and 1 wrong. That's 35 there.
35.
Well played, Kunal.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Kunal. Well done. Thank you, participants from round 3. Let's have the participants for round 4, please. Everyone else can mute themselves. So we have round 4 is going to be played by Abhishek Dalal, Murtaza Sakar, Ali Asgar Wanak, and Hussain Panchmeri. Wanak is here. I can see him. Sakar is here as well.
Melam, Abhishek is not there, yaar. He's not picking up the phone also.
Oh. Okay, so it's going to be admin's call. Who has to play the round? HS.
There is Hiren who's watching. You want Hiren to play?
No, probably he's not in a position to play, but he would have played his round. Na?
No, he
Hello?
messaged me right now that I'm on standby when I told in the
एक
group
मिनट
that Abhishek is not picking up the
हुसैन
phone.
वो मेरे
हाँ
साथ लाइन पे है
हाँ
2 मिनट में ज्वाइन कर रहा है वो
ओके एडमिन्स कॉल then ठीक है
जल्दी
HS.
जल्दी हाँ करो ना करो करो जल्दी
नहीं एचएस 2 मिनट देगा
हाँ वैसे फर्स्ट किसका है?
नहीं
This
ये
is
तो
a buzzer round.
बजर राउंड है ना
बजर राउंड है, ठीक है ना? इट्स ओके, लेट हिम कम.
ओके कूल
Guys, score क्या है guys?
HS, can we have the scores till then?
So basically, captains right now are at 68. Captains are at 85. Mavericks are at 30. Hawkeyes are at 100, and India are on 20.
Okay. And rest players, Hussain Panchmeri, are you here?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hussain is here. Ali Asgar Wanak is here. Murtaza Sakir is also here. Fine. Okay. Just waiting for Abhishek Dalal to join in. QJ, let's have the rules till then. We'll just finish that off. So guys, this is a buzzer round. You'll have to call out your name. You get 10 questions, 10 points for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer. There's no pass and there is no time also to answer. You just have to immediately call out the answer once the buzzer has been identified. Again, anyone speaking out of turn?
So sorry, I forgot about it. I had gone to pick up grocery. I'm so sorry. Genuine apologies, guys.
No issues, no issues. You're just in time. You're just about to start. You know the rules, right?
No. Can you quickly go through? Sorry, I'm so sorry.
It's on the screen.
Okay, buzzer, yes. Total 10 questions. My 5 point correct or no answer. Pass, no. Time allowed. Okay, ठीक है.
Perfect. All right, let's start. QJ, let's have the first question, please. Who is the only cricketer to score 100 and take 3 or more wickets in an ODI World Cup final? Five seconds.
Ali Asgar.
Richards
Yes, Ali Asgar.
Arvind De Silva.
Arvinda De Silva. Let's see the answer. Arvinda De Silva is the right answer. Well done. In time. Vaibhav, I guess you were on you unmuted yourself or something. Please take care. All right. Viewers, please make sure you're on mute if you're guessing the answer out loud. Okay, let's go for the second question. Brothers Tony and Martin Suji represented which country in cricket?
Abhishek.
HS?
I heard Sakar first.
Yes, me too. Sakar, go for it.
Kenya
Kenya is the right answer. Well done. Let's have question number 3. In a must-win game against KKR at Eden Gardens in 2012, who hit the last ball of the match for a 6 to win it for CSK?
HP.
Yes, HP.
Piyush Chawla.
Oh, to win it for CSK, not for KKR.
Oh, CSK. Oh.
The answer is Dwayne Bravo.
Oh.
All right. Long questions, I would recommend either you finish reading the question by yourself or wait for me to finish it, because the last word is always the twister there. All right, question number 4. Who is the only player to have lost 3 ODI World Cup finals?
Sakar.
Yes, Sakar.
Is it Graham Gooch?
Graham Gooch. Let's see the answer. The answer is Graham Gooch, 79, 87, and 92. And as the trend continues, we had it in our password. All right.
That was the clue.
I mean, it was open for everyone.
I remember the clue.
Yes, it was open for everyone. Question number 5. Who among the following has not taken more ODI wickets than Shane Warne?
HP.
Surya, HP, go for it.
Daniel Vittori.
Daniel Vittori. Let's see the answer. The answer is Saqlain Mushtaq. Vittori has taken 305 while Mushtaq has taken 288. All right. This brings us to question number 6.
Mehlam, 1 second. Mehlam, somebody in the background took Jayasurya's name. Can we
You're on mute now, HS. You went on mute. It's okay. We'll see the recording. It's not on my screen. I couldn't hear anyone. We'll know if it's in the recording, and we will penalize the team accordingly. Okay. Let's move ahead. Let's move to question number 6. Name the batsman.
Abhishek.
HS.
I heard Sakar first.
Ah, come on.
Yeah, it was a very close call. Abhishek, we heard your name.
I
But it was
heard my
Sakar.
name before Sakar. Otherwise, I would never say.
I mean, we'll have to go by the rules here. I heard Sakar as well. Sakar, go for it.
Ram Naresh Sarwan.
Ram Naresh Sarwan. Let's see.
I clearly heard my name before Sakar.
Ram Naresh Sarwan is the right answer. We have 4 more questions, Abhishek. Let's hopefully we'll get you there. Okay, question number 7. Who is the only batsman to score 150 plus scores against the same opponent thrice?
Sakar.
HP.
I'll take Sakar. Sakar was just in time on the 10th second. Sakar, go for it.
Is it Bradman?
Oh. Let's see the answer. The answer is Rohit Sharma versus West Indies.
No, but this is test match or
The
one day or
question is
which?
incomplete.
Test
Sorry?
match one day what?
It was supposed
You
to
should
be one day.
mention that whether
The
it's a
question
one
was
day or
open, I
this,
think. It was not mentioned test match one day, T20 what?
We'll
Even
check it
I
out.
had same confusion.
We will check
See,
it out.
one
We will
day,
check it out. If we can, if Bradman
Take
has
the
done that
question.
against England, if Bradman has
Check
done
the
that against
question.
England, we will consider it.
No, check the.
We'll discuss it. We'll discuss over it. Don't worry.
Okay.
We'll let you know. Yeah. Let's move on. Question number 8. Who is the only player to achieve the combination of 10,000 plus runs, 250 wickets, and 100 catches in both Tests
Ali
and
Asgar.
ODIs?
Sakar.
I got Ali Asgar.
Jack
Ali
Callis.
Asgar. Jack Callis.
Jack
Let's see the
Callis.
answer. Let's see the answer. The answer is Jack Callis. Well done. 2 more questions to go, guys. Question number 9. Who is the only Asian wicketkeeper to score a Test
HP.
century in Australia?
HP.
Yes, HP.
Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant. Let's see the answer. Rishabh Pant is the right answer. Well done. Guys, last question of the night. All the best. Who is the only player to score a 15 in ODI World Cup quarterfinals, semi-final, and finals in the same edition?
Ali Asgar.
Sakar.
I got Ali Asgar there. HS?
Ali.
Ali.
Shane Watson.
Shane Watson. Let's see the answer. The answer is Steven Smith. That's incorrect there. Hard luck. HS, can we have the scores quickly?
So I'll give
And
you
we'll
the
keep-
scores for I'll give you the scores for this round. The Abhishek at captains is 0. Sakar is 30 pending the last decision for Bradman versus the other one.
Rohit Sharma.
HP is on 0 and Ali Asgar is on 15.
All right. Okay. So we'll take a quick call within the admins group and we'll announce the final scores, whatever it is, on the group. All right, guys. Thank you very much. It was nice hosting this episode. All the best for your remaining rounds. Good night, guys.
Thanks.
Bye bye.